We guys just got out of 30 Hazari court, and one thing that is again a habit, but I don't really think about it anymore, but it struck my mind and I thought, this is something that a lot of young lawyers and law students will benefit from. Knowing this particular thing, before the Delhi district courts, and as is very, very common with a lot of district courts across this country, what happens is that you go online, you check on the district court website what is the cause list. The cause list is the all the cases which will be taken up by the court, and the item wise numbering also, which case will be at what item number. The difficulty is when you go to the courtroom, if you're in a rush and you walk inside, you will realize that the notice board outside the court that you have just missed has the updated physical cause list, which is often very, very different from the online cause list. Sahil Mia will attest to the fact that on a lot of occasions, online cause list number he will give is something different, and when we go to court, the physical thing is something different. Now, another difficulty with Delhi district courts is that unlike the Delhi High Court, unlike the Supreme Court of India, where they don't even mention the name of the item, the name of the parties, they just say item number 1, item number 2. But in Delhi district courts, across the Delhi district courts, what happens is they will only and only call out the name of the parties and not the item number. So they will call out ABC versus XYZ, and they don't call out the item number. The difficulty with that is the online offline inconsistency in the cause list, coupled with what happens inside the courtroom, which is no calling out of the item number, and couple that with you being a nervous arguing counsel who is just about to make his submissions. So you are preparing your last minute submissions, counter arguments, you're compiling your judgments together, you may be highlighting something. 1 out of 100 times this has happened with me. The matter got called out, I am too busy reading my file that I have missed the matter, and then the matter is either passed over or worse, adjourned. So after learning it a brutal couple of times, the trick to kind of keep a tab on what is happening, so that you know that in about, say, after 5 items or after 10 items my matter is about to come up. So then you become a little more vigilant, especially in courts with very, very heavy boards such as 100. There are some magistrate courts who have 100, 120 items in a particular day. So in that situation, you do not want to be taken off guard. What I recommend, this small litigation hack, is to take a picture of the physical cause list outside the courtroom, and then when every matter is being called out, you are able to trace, अच्छा अभी जी ABC versus XYZ नाम लिया गया है, so then I know that this is item number 20 and my item at 25 will be coming up in about another 3 to 4 minutes. So now I can be careful. This is something which is very, very small, that might not be of much relevance to most people, but for the young lawyers out there who are not very habituated to this, I pray that you do not suffer the way I suffered. You maybe learn from my mistakes and you save yourself the embarrassment.